Hey everybody. So I just moved my mushroom buckets outside earlier today. I moved this pink oyster bucket first actually, and after a few hours of being outside, I noticed something pretty awesome here. As you can see, it began fruiting. And so that's why I decided to go ahead and bring the rest of the buckets out. How cool is that? Let me see if I can get a better shot of them. There we go. Started these a couple of weeks ago, and yeah, I just started putting them outside, and so hopefully we start getting fruits. This one's been doing really well. The mycelium's been taking over. You could see it covering some of the holes there. These are all done with wood chips here. Yeah, let's see how the next few days go. Got some yellow oysters. And super, super cool. I'll keep you guys posted.